Bitcoin future revealed. Here what's coming next, guys. In that video we're going to show you what's coming next for Bitcoin. To know exactly what is coming, make sure to watch that video from the start till the end without skipping any part of that video. As you see, guys, that weekly candle here, it finished. The good news here about that weekly candle, if we came and we zoom in here, what we see, the Bitcoin it keep on giving us new high. As you see that last high here of that green candle, Bitcoin give us here in that weekly candle a new high. That very good news here for Bitcoin. It meant everything still looking bullish. If you remember last week what else we told you here about that red candle. By the way, guys, before I continue, want that video to reach to 100 like, and know you can do it. So please, guys, support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, tell us your thought about Bitcoin, what you're thinking. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also, we enter in Friday, guys. As you see it, we enter a long here. It's hitting for us the first take profit. We're moving the stop loss to entry point. Now we're still holding that long. We're aiming for it to hit for us the second take profit, as you see it here at 103k. So if you are interested in those type of signals, the link of our Patreon is down in description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. Over here, you choose either VIP cryptocurrency or elite members. You finish the payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me either here in Patreon or in the free Discord. Then we're going to solve those problems for you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, if you remember last week what else we told you here in that place here, because we used to have here that red candle here, and also we told you it's going to be like that the red candle also we show you here in the last week. We told you like that. Before that, we used to have here a green candle, which is that one here, and we told you if the market gave us here a red weekly candle, that man at 100k here is the top. It doesn't happen that. What happened actually? Market gave us here a green candle, as you see it here. What that indicating? It's indicating that a continuation pattern, and that telling us one thing: Bitcoin is still going more higher than that level where we are now. That 100k or something like that. So we're going to go more than that, guys. But the only thing we got here in the weekly? No, we got many more things here in the weekly. First thing we can make here now like a up channel, as you see it here, from that one and that one, as you see it, guys. Which means Bitcoin is going to go to touch the top of that up channel here. Even that one it's possible, guys. So till now we haven't touched the top of that up channel. We got there. That's the first thing. Second thing, what is it? We got here, we showed it to you before. We got here a head and shoulder. We showed it to you before. We told you we're breaking the neckline here and we're calculating the take profit of that one. We said it's going to go till 200. I'm going to show you everything to understand what else we're talking about. We said the Bitcoin is going to go till 275k based on the break of the neckline of that head and shoulder here. That the take profit of it is going to be like that, guys, here exactly. Or we're going to touch just that long-term uptrend here, as you see it, that one here. Even that one it's possible, but the take profits, me, I'm focused about them. I'm going to show it to you. That number one here, as you see it, 174,505. That the first take profit of me. Yes, me, I take some of the profit at 100k, but I haven't take a lot, just 25%. Maybe that 100k going to be the top. That's why me I take some of the profit from there. The next take profit we got is it that one here, as you see it with red, 275k. That the second take profit of me. The third take profit, where is it? Let me show it to you. Is it here at $500,000, guys? So those ones, the levels, me I'm focused at them here in Bitcoin in weekly. I show it to you here, and I show it to you many times here, because if you're looking with me here even though I want to show it to you. When we break in that green line, the next stop is it that blue one, and that blue one I tell it to you 174k, and Bitcoin is going to hit 174k, guys. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's going to see coming news for all the week, because that week we got very important news. So let's go in there to see it together. Coming news for all the week, guys. As you see it, that the news we got all that week. As you see it here, GDP of Japan is going to come in Sunday. Actually, it came now. It will not affect a lot of the cryptocurrency. Monday, there is nothing. Tuesday, what we got, interest rate of the Aussie. That one, it doesn't affect the cryptocurrency. Plus Germany CPI, even that one, it will not affect a lot the cryptocurrency. Wednesday, that the most important day, we got inflation data or CPI data. As you see it, guys, it's going to come at 1:30 GMT time in Wednesday. So you need to be careful that day here about that CPI data or inflation data. Tuesday, what we got? We got interest rate decision of the Eurozone. As you see it here, it's going to come at 1:15. It's going to affect a little bit the cryptocurrency. Plus, we got that PPI, even though one is inflation data. In Friday, what we got? We got the GDP of USA. So the most important days is it that one here, Wednesday and Thursday, guys. So those ones the most important days for that week. Over here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day here in that channel. Look at it, what it's telling us here. Nasdaq started the week green. The SP 500 started the week green. Dow Jones, it started the week red. Our friend down here, the VIX, what it's telling you, guys, it's telling you us we are in the top in the stock market. So you need to be careful, because in the VIX 12, that's the bottom for the VIX, and the market's working the opposite of the VIX. So you need to be careful, guys. You are in the top of the stock market. There is a dump coming, till where we don't know, guys, but maybe, as I tell it to you before, we're going to stay like that, but there is no volume those days based on the VIX. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin is doing today in daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in daily, guys. Here's Bitcoin today in daily. Forget about that red candle, because that one it happened because just the weekly close. You remember that level here? Also, we tell it to you. Look at it by that green candle. It's getting broke here. That's very good news here. It's telling us the first time in the daily candle it's closed above 100k. That's very good news here. Now, what shall we do? As I tell it to you before, the Bitcoin is still going to continue more upward. Now here, if you're looking at that green candle here, that one, and those candles here, all of them, they are inside the range of that green candle. So if the Bitcoin break in here, that's mean more long. If any candle came up closing below that level, we're going to see Bitcoin dumping again. And me, I tell it to you before, if you remember what else we told you here, we do like that, and we told you guys, you got here a up channel like that, and we told you Bitcoin is going to stay sideways inside it like that, but going above. Same thing what the Bitcoin doing those days. I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see it Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here in 12 hours, Saturday and Sunday, also we tell it to you, the market is going to stay sideways there, and there is no move. And also we're still waiting to see what's going to happen here. But the good news till now, also we're still only in an uptrend. We show you, we got here a divergence. We showed it to you before, but there is no price action telling us also we need to enter a short. And me, I tell it to you, if we break a lower here, yes, we can catch a short, but if we doesn't, there is no entry short, and also we still all in an uptrend. because to enter against the trend from those levels is very dangerous, guys. If you're looking at those moving averages, what they're telling you, you are in a very sharp uptrend. But for us to enter against the trend, we need a confirmation. Until now, we don't got any confirmation. Plus that level here, as you see it, look at the volume profile there. Level exactly at 97,964. Even though one here, you need to be careful about it, that level here, guys. So I think I explained everything. The levels, you need to look close at them here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. levels, you need to look at them closer here in Bitcoin. That one here, 102,603. That level here, 95,486. And that one down here, 90,808. So those was the levels. You need to look close at them here in Bitcoin. Tomorrow we're going to update you to tell you if anything happened. We're going to give you new levels. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, we show you we got here that up channel, and we told you we touched the top of it, but the Ethereum going to stay sideways like that. Here it will touch in the lower of that up channel, then after that it's going to give us a new high, and we told you the reason why. We told you look at it here, he couldn't break the last low. Same thing here, same thing is going to happen even here, guys. Bitcoin, he will not break in that low here, and also we're going to stay sideways here till we're touching the lower of that up channel, and after that we're going to see what's going to happen. That the only thing we got here, only that up channel. No, my friend, you got here now like a wage. Look at it here, that the wage here from that one here and that one here, you see it, you got here a wage. Even that one you can focus about that what's going to happen in the coming days. If you break it lower here, you can catch a short. If the Ethereum breaking above here, you can enter a long. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator here, guys, will show you got here a very clear divergence. That the divergence here exactly like that. Should we enter a short based on a divergence? No, my friend, there is no entry short, and we need to wait till the right time. Good news, till now us we still only in a place where is only bulls who controlling. Now that normal we are going to fall down to touch that wall, then after that we're going to see if we can catch a long or no. That's my view personally, guys, but the good news till now us we still all in a place where is the bulls the controlling. There is no bears yet, so why should us we go against the trend? As you learn the first days when you enter to trade, always the trend is your friend, and that's what me I'm showing you over here. The trend is it a uptrend. There is nothing telling you to short it. Only if you are a mad person, that's another story. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here's Bitcoin in 4 hours. We show you here. We got that up channel here. We touch it many times here. And many times we touching that up channel. Now with the view, we are going to fall down to touch it lower here. Then after that, maybe the Bitcoin going to give us a new high. But the first scenario, second scenario from here, we're going to see the Bitcoin going more higher to touch the top of that up channel. So also we're still waiting to see what's going to happen here. Either pump or a dump. That's my view personally, guys. Another very important thing here in 30 minutes. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here? Those moving averages. Look at it. As I told you yesterday, also we're still only above the 20 moving average. So there is nothing here telling us also we need to enter a short, because also we're still only in an uptrend, guys. There is nothing new here. I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, even here in Bitcoin, we show you we got here a very clear divergence. Should we enter a short based on that divergence? No, my friend. Also we don't enter based on a divergence. Also we need a very clear direction change. Till now we don't got that, so we need to wait till the right time. Bitcoin or our indicator is preferred to stay all in a place where the bulls they're controlling. So why should we go against the trend? So I think you get the idea, my friend. Now let's going to see it Bitcoin is doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, we got many things here. Can make something like that, like a small flag like that, as you see it here. The neckline or the stick is going to be coming from down here, exactly more lower than that. If the Bitcoin breaking above here, you can catch along that number one scenario. For short, you got here, that low here. If the Bitcoin breaking lower here, it's going to give you here like that. Look at it, very big double top. So if we break a lower here, we're going to see Bitcoin dumping very hard, guys. I think I show you for long and I show you for short. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, based on our indicator, we touch here extreme oversold area. It went up till here. Short also we enter a short based on those things. No, my friend, there is nothing. The most important is that one here. The one is touching here, that wall. We don't got a clear confirmation. That's what also we told you to join us if you want exactly when also we enter. Now, if the Bitcoin breaking down here, we're going to catch a short because that one here it's showing to us maybe it's going to enter to extreme oversold area. Second scenario, we're just going to touch it from here, then after that it's going to bounce. Even that one it's possible, guys, because if you're looking with me here, look at our indicator. If you came to that one here, with that one here, you got here an uptrend. So even that one, when you touch it, you need to be careful what the Bitcoin going to do here. So I think I explained everything to you guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos and you want us to continue more with you, make sure to smash that like button which is down and to write with it a comment, and if it's possible, share that video with your friend and your family. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.